Welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss the basic properties of triangles. This is the fourth in this series of geometry videos. What is a triangle? Triangle is a three-sided polygon. It's a three-sided closed figure. Or we can say any 3 points which are not on the same line can form a triangle. See here ABC are 3 points which are not on the same line. Any 3 points which are not lying on the same line can be joined to form a triangle. We say any three non-collinear points can form a triangle. Collinear means points which are on the same line. Non-collinear means points which are not lying on the same line. So, any 3 points which are not lying on the same line can form a triangle. Next point, sum of the angles equals to 180 degrees. So, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, sum of them is 180 degrees. Next, it's a very important statement. Sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Sum of any two sides is greater than third side. For example, if I take AB and BC, AB plus BC is greater than the third side AC. Or if I take AB and AC, AB plus AC greater than third side BC. Or if I take AC and BC, AC plus BC is greater than AB. Any two sides is greater than third side. This is a very important point that will be applied in questions that we solve in examinations. Next, the extension of this point is difference of any two sides is less than the third side. Sum of any two sides is greater than third side. Difference of any two sides is less than the third side. Next, if two sides are equal in a triangle, their opposite angles are equal. For example, if I say AB equals to AC, if I say, what is opposite to AB? Angle C. Or we can write angle ACB. Angle C is the short form of writing that. Opposite to AC, we have angle B. These two are equal. If two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. Or I can say, if two angles are equal, conversely, two angles are equal, their opposite sides are equal. Now, this point also can be expressed as like this. The angle opposite to the largest side is the largest angle. What does it mean? Suppose if out of these three sides ABC, in case if BC is the largest side, if I say BC is the largest side, then its opposite angle, that is angle A, is the largest angle. Right? The angle opposite to the largest side is the largest angle, or conversely we can say the side opposite to the largest angle is the largest side. Next, if you take this triangle ABC, this is the external angle at C. Suppose if this is 130 degrees. But you know this is a straight line. If external angle is 130, the internal angle at that point will be 50 degrees, because total is, a straight line is always of 180 degrees. But you know angle A plus angle B plus angle C, sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. But if angle C is 50 degrees means we can say angle A plus angle B equals to 50 goes other side 130, which is nothing but an external angle. So this is what the statement, an external angle in a triangle equals to sum of two opposite interior angles. An external angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles, right? So these are few important points on, few basic properties of triangles. We'll apply these basic properties and answer a few questions. Let's see the first one. In a triangle ABC, angle ABC is 60 degrees and angle BAC exceeds angle ACB by 20 degrees. Which of the following describes the relation between the sides? Can you please make an attempt and then continue watching this? In a triangle ABC, angle ABC is 60 degrees. So this is 60. If this is 60, you know sum of the other two angles has to be 120, because total is 180. Out of this one angle is 60, the other two angles should be 180 minus 60, 120. So angle BAC, that is angle A, plus angle ACB, sum of them should be 120. But question says angle BAC exceeds angle ACB by 20. So angle BAC is more than angle ACB by 20. So the difference between them is 20. So if I add the two equations, 2 times of angle BAC equals to 140, 270s, we can say angle BAC is 70 degrees. BAC means angle at A, that is 70 degrees. If it is 70, 60, 130, the other angle has to be 50 degrees. Now what is the largest angle? A. If the largest angle is A, its opposite side BC is the largest side. Second largest angle is 60, its opposite side AC is the second largest side. The shortest angle is 50, its opposite side AB is the shortest side. So BC is greater than AC is greater than AB. This is the relation between the sides. Hence our answer is choice 1. Right? Let's take up one more. In a triangle PQR, A is a point inside the triangle. S is the semi-perimeter of triangle PQR. Semi-perimeter means half the perimeter. Then AP plus AQ plus AR is fine. If you look at this triangle PQR, A is a point inside the triangle. Let us say this is a point. AP plus AQ plus AR. Let me join this AP, AQ and AR. Now the given triangle is divided into 3 triangles. We'll take first this triangle APQ and sum of any 2 sides. If I consider triangle APQ, sum of any 2 sides is greater than third side. So I can say AP plus AQ. AP plus AQ is greater than the third side, that is PQ. Similarly, if I consider triangle AQR, I am considering triangle AQR, I can say AQ plus AR is greater than the third side, that is QR. And if I consider the third triangle, that is APR, if I consider triangle APR, AP plus AR is greater than, sum of 2 sides is greater than third side, that is PR. If I add all the 3 all the 3 inequalities here, 2 times of AP, 2 times of AQ, 2 times of AR, 2 times of AP plus AQ plus AR is greater than PQ plus QR plus PR. If 2 goes other side, AP plus AQ plus AR is greater than PQ plus QR plus PR by 2. Now PQ plus QR plus PR is nothing but perimeter of sum of 3 sides. You can see PQ, QR and PR. This sum of 3 sides is the perimeter. By 2 means is the semi-perimeter. So S is the semi-perimeter of triangle PQR means this value is S. So it is greater than S. Our answer is choice A. Students, for more on geometry, please reach me on my profile at Udemy. You have a course on geometry. The link is given below in the description. Thank you.